Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Ipsy Plus for June. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my Ipsy Plus just arrived, my big sister. My two little sisters are still somewhere out there, so let's go ahead and at least get into her. Ipsy Plus, if you do not know, is $25 a month with free shipping, and they're always full-size products, and I love my Ipsy boxes, for the most part. I do. So let's go ahead and dive on in here and see what this month brings. I also did an add-on too, so I have that and I'll show you at the end. But here we go. And it always says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And it says Glam Bag Plus, which they don't put the bags in here anymore. So I'm kind of hoping they'll just drop the bag and keep it just Glam Plus, but who knows? So when you get in here, they always have this blue styrofoam little apparatus going on, and then your products are inside with the product card. Here is a product card, and it is a block party for June. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into these products, and then I will read what they are and how much they are and all that good stuff when we get to them. So the first thing that I am seeing is this Suva Beauty Hydra Liner Cake Eyeliner Cake. So there is that. It's pretty packaging. And this comes with, it comes with a brush. So let's see here. Oh, here is the brush. And it has a little fine, tiny point right there. And it's by the same brand. This is the Hydra Liner in Grease. Like grease. And 620 brush set. So it's not a brush set, it's a set of eyeliner and a brush. So valued at $26 for the brush and the eyeliner together. And the eyeliner again is in the color Grease. Like it's a greasy lemon. And then there is the packaging right there. I'll show you the inside, but I'm not gonna touch it or swatch it. Looks kind of raised a little bit, I don't know, but that is definitely not touched or swatched or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a future giveaway with the brush and everything. So here's $26 right here. That will go to one of you guys because I don't normally use this, but I do have a Sigma one, and I have like a pretty vulgar one that looks like a cool little ink pot that I got from BoxyCharm. So I know I won't use these, so I'll go ahead and set that in a future giveaway. Next we have, what is this guy? This is I have no clue, and I'm not even gonna try to butcher that name right there. Right there. And this is a lip crayon, matte color plus shiny balm lip crayon. This is in the color Belize, Trustique, and I tried it anyway. Matte color plus a shiny balm lip crayon in Belize, $25. So let's go ahead and get this guy opened here. Where's my knife? Oh, I don't need to open it like that. There we go. And there we are. That is really cute packaging though, look. And it has like, it says balm inside. I know it's upside down, but it says balm inside. So here is a cute little balm. And the top part, here is the color. That is really dark. That is really pretty. Ooh, look at that. So there's that. You see that? Look, it's magnetic. Like you just barely sit here. Oh, that is so cool. It's the simple things. That is really cool. Wah, huh, ha. Yeah, that is cool. All right, so we have this guy right here, and this is valued at $25. I think it's really cool how it's the double do-ya right there. I think that's really neat. That is really cool. Okay, so the next item that I am the most excited about in this entire box is this right here, and it is a glass jar. This is a CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydrating Cream by Sunday Riley. Sunday Riley. This right here is valued at $65. $65. The little lip product that I just showed you guys was $25. So this is the cost of the entire box. Everything else is just additive to the box. This is why I love my Ipsy and I love subscription boxes, you guys. But this product right here, now let me tell you, when I got my email from them saying that I can look at my box and I can add my add-ons, this was one of the things that was on my email as an add-on. So when I went to my app and I was looking at the ones that was listed, this wasn't listed, or else I would have added it on. So I didn't see this on my option. I was like, oh, it must be sold out already then. All right, and I kept going and I said, you know, I bought the one thing that I did get and I went on with my day. Then it showed me that this was in my box. And I'm like, things happen for a reason, but it would have been still a good value to get this for like the 13 or the whatever it would have been. But this is $65. So I'm so excited to get this, you guys. I am so excited to get this. So, ooh, it smells very citrusy. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells so citrusy. I cannot wait to take a shower tonight. I do every night, but now put this on. Oh my gosh, that smells really good. That smells so citrusy and clean and nice, and oh my gosh. And it feels amazing on my skin too. Yes, I can't wait. Oh my gosh, and that's $65 for this bottle, you guys. That is crazy. So I'm so glad to have that, and I'm glad I didn't, well, either way, even if I would have bought it, I would have had a backup because I'm sure it's gonna be an amazing product, but you know. Okay, so next we have is the Tetris Block Party Palette. Now here's another thing. They showed like the whole entire Tetris set, and it was like on sale for whatever price it was, like way cheaper than the whole entire thing. And I was debating whether to get it or not, but they had like orange lipsticks and like some funky colors that, you guys, if I would have bought, I would have bought just to show you guys, and I never would have used. That's just how it would have been. So I'm so glad that my friend talked me out of it and I didn't buy it, because the Tetris palette is in this box anyways. So this is the outside of my black pate, and this is valued at $24, and it's all purple. It says Block Party. There is a mirror, and let me get the plastic off of here. Okay, and then here are the colors for this palette. I'm a little bummed out that there's only 6 colors in here, but it is Tetris. It brings me back to the old school days of playing Nintendo and playing Tetris on my Nintendo. So, I mean, it's kind of bringing me back to childhood days, which I'm loving. I'm already getting like skating rink parties like in my head and everything by thinking of this. So, I mean, I'm glad to have it to my collection, but it's not like, there's only 6 shades. There's not like a whole lot that you can really do with it. But let's go ahead and let's swatch this bad boy. Okay, so there are the 6 colors right there. You have a brown, you have a silver, you have a blue, you have a light, like a peachish color right here, a pink, and a purple. So this to me isn't really something that I'm gonna grab to do a whole entire look, but this would be something that I'll grab to kind of complete a look, which I don't do a lot of that. But again, I'm glad to have it in my collection. I just wish for it being a Tetris palette and being something cool and unique, it would have had more colors than just 6 shades, but that could just be me. But again, I'm still happy to have this in my collection. And again, that's valued at $24. Now the last item in my box, you guys, yes, My last item in my box is a set of face masks, and you know I love me some masks. So I will never complain about these. And this is a set of 3 valued for $26. And this is the Tula Skincare Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Hydro Gel Mask. So that sounds amazing. And there's 3 of them here, and you use it like a normal mask. I wonder if it's really blue. That would be cool. So there are 3 masks again, and this is valued at $26 just for these. Now, let me see. Let me go ahead and put this color on, you guys, and then I'm going to show you my little set that I bought as an add-on. And I think this was just what I bought from the store. This wasn't really my add-on. I think that is maybe coming with my Ipsy bag. I'm not quite sure. But let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, you guys. So there is that. And let me go ahead and, where'd my lid go? Let's slide this on. And let's put the little, this is so cute. Let's put the little balm on. Alrighty, so there we have it. I kind of like that. I mean, I'm not a huge lip person, but I'm trying to like it more. So I actually really like that. I think it's pretty. What do you guys think? Okay, so now what I got in my order, because this wasn't an add-on, but this was at the store and this was a deal, a sale. I'm gonna show you what I got. Some of it will be going to giveaways for you guys. The reason why I bought this is because it had my City Limits palette in here. Now, if you guys watched my actual City Limits try on and review that I did for you guys, and I actually put one of these in a giveaway that one of you guys did win. I love this palette. This is my favorite palette. And it's normally $20-something, and then you pay for shipping. You pay for shipping at the IBY's actual website. But they had this on Ipsy for free shipping for $17, and it came with this other stuff, and I had points. So I only got this for like $12, which is an amazing steal. So I actually got, this is a little sneak peek, I was approved for Tribe Beauty's influencer program that they just reached out to try to get new influencers, and I should be getting my box soon, and I hear this is in there. So if that's the case, I'm gonna put one of these in, well, I'll probably end up putting this like maybe in my 4,000 giveaway, which will be soon. I need a couple more hundred and I'll be at my 4K, and I'll probably put this in my 4K giveaway with a bunch of other goodies. Because I definitely want you guys to enjoy this as much as I do. So I wanted to get one as a backup, but since I'm getting another one in my Tribe Beauty, I don't need now 2 backups. And I just bought one of these for you guys. So, and I bought one of these for Christy as well from Georgia Sunshine when we did our collab. I just really love this palette, you guys. So I'm glad to get it. And again, I bought it. It was $17, and it came with a Ciate glitter flip. Here's this right here. And now that I have this on, I can't really put this one on, but whoa, this one's even dark. Maybe I should look at the bigger, fatter one next to it. That is this. Maybe I can put it on top. Change the color up a little bit, make it a little bit more darker. Wow, okay, so I like that. Next we have is a Manicadar Beauty. Here is a shadow, which I'll put this in a giveaway. We have a Space Case nail polish, which this is in Little Pink Min, and I'm gonna put this in a giveaway as well. That is a hot pink. I mean, that's a hot pink. It looks lighter than what I'm seeing in person, but this is a hot pink, which is look really pretty for this summer. Then here is a Perfect Volume Texture Mist Hair and Heat Protectant. paraben free, so that will go in a future giveaway. And then the last item that came in the set that I'll put in a giveaway as well, this is Freematic blush by, I don't know how to say this brand, I fumble with this every time. I don't know if it's Douce, I'm not sure, but this is a blush in Forbidden Delicacy. Forbidden Delicacy. And let's see what it looks like. Right there. There is the blush. It's like a peachish kind of color. That looks really pretty. I just don't do blushes. So these other items I will put in a future giveaway, and this one will probably go in my 4K giveaway because I believe my Try Beauty box should be here soon. And if that is in there and it's not broken, then this will be in my 4K giveaway. So stay tuned for that, you guys. So that is everything that I have for you. I am loving my Ipsy Plus. Again, we got these 3 masks that are probably going to be really, really good. We have the CEO Sunday Riley, which I'm so excited about, and this costs $65 in itself. We have this really pretty lip apparatus with the 2 different things and the little sliding, like, I love that. That is an awesome package. And then we have the eyeliner and the eyeliner brush that will go to one of you guys. And yeah, so this is an amazing box. The total value for this box will be right here, you guys. And that is everything that I have for you. Comment down below. Let me know, do you get Ipsy Plus? Because I heard they opened it up all the way, but then I heard they closed it back again. So I don't know what's going on, but do you get Ipsy Plus? Have you got it? Do you want it? What do you think of it? I love my Ipsy, my glam bag and my Ipsy Plus. I really, really love. Again, this whole thing is worth it for this. I'm actually really digging this lip color for once. I'm so excited about the masks, and one of you guys can enjoy this. So I really love this. Oh, and then the palette that I'm a little like meh about, but glad to have in my collection, I guess. You know, at least I can say, hey, I have a Tetris palette. Not everybody can say that, because I think this is an Ipsy exclusive. It actually says Ipsy right on there. So that is awesome. I just wish there was more shades. Put 2 more in there, at least make it 8 or 10. You know, with all these bright colors on the package, they could have threw in a few more colors. That's my only thing. So yeah, so again, you guys, comment down below, let me know, and your positive interaction with me means the world, and I greatly appreciate it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate that. Then you won't miss a future video when I upload it. And until next time, you guys, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.